Have you ever seen a rainbow dance in milk? I'll show you a simple experiment that looks like magic, but it's really science. For this experiment, you'll need a shallow plate of milk, some food coloring, and a little dish soap. First, pour some milk into a plate, then add a few drops of different colors. Now dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch the milk. Wow! Look at that! The colors explode into a rainbow swirl. So what's happening here? Milk has fat and protein molecules that normally stay still. Dish soap breaks down those fat molecules and lowers surface tension. That makes the liquid molecules rush around, and they drag the colors with them, creating this beautiful rainbow effect. It's like a tug of war. When one side suddenly lets go, the other side pulls fast. That's what the soap does to the milk. You can try this with water instead of milk, or hot milk versus cold milk, or even compare oil-based colors with water-based ones. Each time, the swirl looks a little different. Which do you think makes the coolest rainbow swirl? Comment below. The rainbow swirl isn't just pretty. It shows us how surface tension and soap chemistry work together. If you enjoyed this experiment, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll show you more amazing science next time.